Are you ready?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another Görgött episode. Today we're cooking something really easy and something a lot of people probably don't consider. We're making bone marrow. And all you have to do is basically get the bone marrow, pop it in the oven with some salt on top, and wait 15 minutes, and it's ready to go. So it's really simple. It's going to be quite a short video. But before we start, as always, please click the subscribe button and the little bell icon. That will keep you updated on new content. It helps me a lot in kind of continuing to produce this type of content that I hope you like. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. This is all we need. Some sea salt, a marrow bone split in half, and Bonito flakes. The Bonito flakes we just need to put afterwards on top. What we'll do is we'll put these in the oven at 275 degrees Celsius, so very hot, and it should take somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. You have to kind of look when the bone marrow kind of starts to bubble, and yeah, you will see when they're done, but at least 10 and maximum 15 minutes. Before we put them in, we'll just sprinkle some of the salt on. We can do that right now, actually. Nice amount like that. And we'll just put these in a tray. Like that. And these go in the oven. We'll serve this with just some toasted bread. And that's as simple as it is. You don't need more than that sometimes to enjoy something. But in the oven these go now, and then we'll check once they're done. Took about 15 minutes in the oven. They're out now. We put the Bonito flakes on them, some salt. We have some lightly toasted bread, and that's all you need. And a spoon you need. Now, let's taste it. Let's get into it. I'll break off a piece. You eat it however you want. Get in there with a spoon. Get it up on there. Now you can have some salt and put salt extra on top if you want. Doesn't need extra salt. With the Bonito flakes, that's excellent. They give this kind of umami dimension to it all. Look at that baby. There was a time when kind of bone marrow was maybe used in soups, if at all. Maybe if you liked it, when you make an ossobuco, you ate out the bone marrow. But many years it was considered as nothing special. But it's so nice, so fatty, packs a lot of flavor, and adding Bonito flakes just kind of raises that flavor. It's a perfect starter, or just like a drink snack or whatever, when you have friends over. And as you saw, it's not really cooking, it's just warming or heating. You put some salt on it in the oven and some Bonito flakes and you're ready to go. So it's perfect like that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try this yourself. As always, if you stuck with me for this long, don't forget to click the thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, also the subscribe button. Yeah, next time, I'm not sure what we'll cook. We'll see. Maybe some fish. Yeah, some fish probably. But for this time, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.